Hello and welcome to this video where we talk about Google Drive. I realize this video might be a little too late, but I still use it a lot and therefore recommend it. And here's a little how-to video, so to speak. What is Google Drive first? It's an online storage device kind of a thing where you can store your files online and then link to it and download it later and stuff like that. How you get to it, you just literally Google Drive. And this page will open up with Google Drive as generally your first result. Go to personal, and you might have to create a Gmail account or a Google account if you don't already have one. But if you do, you can obviously sign in. I've already done this, so I'll just flip into that account. Once you signed in, it opens up into this, into your Drive itself. Generally with this one file, which is a PDF. Go through it. It explains to you how to use these things on the different devices and stuff. Decently useful file. One thing I should mention is that you get 15 GB worth of storage on this drive, but you also share the same drive with, as in the same space with Gmail. So your Gmail account uses this. So although in this drive I have just the one file right now, I've used 13 point something GB. That's because of the number of emails in this particular, in this Gmail account. All right, let's go to one which is empty almost and use this instead.